Okay, quick demo on how to save your Photoshop files as PDFs and how to combine them in Adobe Acrobat. So, in Photoshop, got this file. You're just going to go to File, Save As. Okay, you're going to choose format. You've got these other formats. It's probably set on Photoshop. You want to choose Photoshop PDF. In this case, I've just named mine file 1, 2, and 3. You can see they're already in there, so I don't need to put them in there. But, oh, maybe I didn't save 3. There we go. Nope, I did, so I'm not going to replace it. But once they're in there, you're going to go to Adobe your Creative Cloud. You're going to launch Adobe Acrobat, which I have already launched. So it's here. Going to close that file. You're just going to go up here, actually, and select Combined Files. It's important. File management, always important, so that you know where they are. I know where these guys are, so they're in my downloads, in my instruction, in demos, in a folder called Demo Pics. Okay. The PDFs show up. You see I messed up earlier and I saved some as Photoshop files. So I want to combine these 3. So I'm going to hold Command and I'm just going to select them all. Okay. I could go back and add files one at a time repeatedly. Now I have file 1, file 2, file 3 pulled into my combined files. All I'm going to do is combine them. Okay. And then I can save them wherever I need to. In your case, you should save them to a Google Drive that is shared with your group members. So, but there is file 1, file 2, and file 3 saved all together, combined into one document.